who don't want to be rich with crypto. Like, honestly, okay, maybe this video will not help you to become rich with crypto, but at least it will definitely help you on a technical aspect of cryptocurrency. This is called a rainbow chart. So what is a rainbow chart? So as you can see, it's simply the price of the Bitcoin, as you can see right here, and there is 9 different colors. Each colors means a different thing. So when we are at the lowest color, so the blue right here, this means basically a fire sale. So what I mean by that is that it is almost the best price where you can actually buy the price of Bitcoin. And the more you go up, the more you will see that the price is trending to the upside. So this means that the last level over, the maximum bubble territory, mean that this should be where the last level where you should sell your crypto. To make things easier, I won't go into technical details. I really want to make things very, very simple. When the thing is blue right here, you can sell when the price enter the red zone right here. When the price enter the green zone right here, you can buy and sell at the orange zone right here. Same thing right here. When the price enter this green zone right here, yeah, this one you can sell and enter at this zone right here. And then at this one, you literally do nothing. You just hold and wait for the price to go lower. Like this, you can buy. The best way to actually use this strategy is, let's say that you have $1,000 on cryptocurrency. What you can do, instead of buying like a monkey $1,000 worth of crypto, what you can do is that you can just hold them and wait for the price to reach this level. And at this level, you can buy your first $250 of crypto. If the price go lower, then you buy another 250. If the price go lower, then you buy another 250. And if the price go lower, you buy another 250. If the price didn't touch the last zone, then you simply don't buy more. You just wait for the price to go where you take profit targets. So keep in mind this one for this one, this one for this one, and yeah, there is literally the same thing right here for the Ethereum rainbow price chart. So by the way, the 2 links will be in description. So this one is working exactly the same way, but it's just a little bit less accurate than the Bitcoin one. So what you do, very simple, when the price reach this zone, you buy and you sell into this zone. When you buy price reach this zone, you sell at this zone. When the price reach this zone, you sell at this one. Very simple and very mechanical to do. You do literally the same thing, except instead of buying $1,000 worth of crypto as soon as you have a little bit of money, what you can do is that when the price is here, you can buy your first $250, $250, $250, $250, and yeah. So keep buying some small portion for every time the price touch one of these zone, and sell the portion that you buy every time the price touch one of the zone over right here. I don't really like to use the rainbow chart for a lot of different reasons, but to be honest, it's one of the best way, most simple way for someone who just want to buy and hold and don't know when to buy, when to sell exactly, and just want a simple strategy to actually accumulate cryptocurrency. But if you want a little bit more advanced one, the one I'm personally using, you need to go on TradingView. To be honest, you don't even need the paid version to do that. The free version is totally off, but if you want the paid version that you can have a promotion using the link in the description. But anyway, this is how I do it. So let me just remove everything. So as you can see, we are on Phantom USD. So the first thing I like to do is using the volume. So I use the volume profile. I go to the weekly chart. I place my volume price on the first candle and I put it into the highest candle. So the highest candle is this one right here. And as you can see, this gives us a red line right here. So this means that the volume was the biggest at this line right here. What I do now is that I use this thing called the GAN fan. You can find it right here. You go, yes, exactly right here, like this. So once you have selected it, very simple, you just go to the first candle and you enter exactly where the price started, and you put your thing at the last level of the red line, like this. Perfect, very simple. So this one is extremely simple to use. It's working exactly the same way as the rainbow chart. So when the price enters this zone right here, you can buy and you don't sell anything until the price reaches this zone. Of course, this is just a technical course on how I take a look at currency. Of course, there is some fundamental research that you need to do on your own, but anyway, when the price reaches this zone, you can buy and you won't sell anything before the price actually reaches this zone right here. Here is an example that I'm following actually for the cryptocurrency chain link. So very simple. As you can see, there is a ton of different colors. So what I like to do, when the price reaches the orange zone right here, what I mean is that I can buy. So I buy more chain link when the price reaches this zone right here, 9 May 2022. And I won't sell anything of this position until the price reaches this zone right here, this zone right here. So yeah, very simple. When the price reaches this zone, I buy, and I don't do anything except when the price reaches this zone, I can sell it. And I will do literally the same thing for the black. So when the price reach this zone, I buy, and I don't do anything before the price reach this zone right here. So very simple and very mechanical strategy to use. So now let's go to Shiba USD. So very simple, as you can see, I wanted to show you something very important. So first of all, let's just remove everything. So we do the same thing. We take the volume, first candle, highest candle, then you can take the thing, you put it on the lowest at the first candle on the weekly chart, and you put it right here. And as you can see, the thing is pointing downwards. This means that when you can see this pattern on the price, when the price is so when the GAN fam is extremely bearish, as you can see right here, then you don't even take a look at the crypto, simply because the technical aspect of it isn't valid and isn't consistent enough. You waste your time on it. Now I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that, but for me, okay, so now let's do it on the Ethereum USD. So we are on the weekly chart. So very simple, you go to the first candle, the candle right here like this, you go to the highest candle. So the highest candle is the highest level is right here, and as you can see, the line is right here. So what I like to do is I put again the thing right here. So anyway, once done, as you can see, I did the same thing on Ethereum, and as you can see, the price is way over it. So what does that mean? So when the price is over the GAN fam, this means that the price of the cryptocurrency is overvaluated, and when the price is under it, this means that the price is undervaluated. Doesn't matter if the price is over or undervaluated, I don't touch it when the price is one of these two zones. So for me, I'm not afraid to say that Ethereum is highly overvaluated at the moment. I'm not saying that Ethereum is a bad crypto. I mean, I'm very bullish on the long term for Ethereum, but at the moment I'm still not thinking about buying some, simply because it is way overvaluated at the moment. Let me explain a little bit more. So if we take a look at when the price started to get overvaluated, so right here we can see 14 December 2020. We all know what happened by the end of 2020. Something happened around the world, and this did that a lot of people lose their job and a ton of different stuff, and some people tried to find different way to make money, and cryptocurrency was one of them. And these recent events that happened during 2020 did that simply, as you can see, the price exploded simply because cryptocurrency started to become a trend. So yeah, for me, this is clearly the only explanation of this huge bullish movement that we had right here. And the bearish thing with watching right here isn't for me a bearish market, simply a healthy correction. And to be honest, I wouldn't be afraid if in the next following month or even years, Ethereum will go lower than 1,200 euro. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of unrealistic, but for me, Ethereum is a great project. But on the long term, I mean, but we need to give it time to actually become something. And at the moment, it is way too early in the crypto world for Ethereum to actually go to 1 million or go over Bitcoin like some people are saying. And it's literally the same thing for Bitcoin. If we go to the Bitcoin, so it's literally the same thing for Bitcoin. So if we go to it, as you can see, we go to the first candle of the Bitcoin, then we go to the highest point. So the highest point was right here at this candle especially. Then we do the same thing. So we take the GAN fam, we put it at the entry price. We can put it at the entry price like this, and then we can put it at the end of it like this. Perfect. So as you can see, Bitcoin is not overvaluated at the moment. It is still at a pretty high price for me. But if we take a look at when the price started to get overvaluated, 8 February 2021, again, things started to get just worse, and a lot more of people got into cryptocurrency. And yeah, this did that the price of Ethereum went extremely high, especially because of the recent event we had 2 years ago. And again, what we are seeing now is just a healthy correction. And like this, a cryptocurrency will be able to grow on a safe and a healthy way. We can do it one last time on Solana. So as you can see, I did the same thing right here. So volume until the highest candle, so the candle right here. Then we put the GAN fam right here and put it at the last level of the red line right here. And as we can see, for me, I'm extremely bullish on Solana in the future. For me, it definitely have the potential to be one of the biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap in the future. So what you need now, once you have done a good fundamental analysis and you have found a crypto that you really want to invest in, and at the same time all I said here was valid, what you can do is that you can select the number effect, so right here, and you can select a 1 right here. So what I mean by that is that when the price reaches this zone, you don't do anything and you never sell until the price reach this zone right here. Then you do the same thing on this zone. So when the price reaches this zone right here, you don't do anything before the price reaches this zone right here. For this zone right here, you don't do anything before the price reaches this zone right here. No, sorry, for the 3 it will be right here, and for the 4, this one right here, you don't do anything before the price reaches this zone right here. So let's make a context. So the price already reached its highest height right here, and you want highly to invest into cryptocurrency. You took a look at Solana, you really want to buy some Solana. So what you do, as you can see, the price is already in the bullish zone. So the bullish zone for me is everything over this thing right here. So everything you can see here is bullish and everything you can see here is bearish. So you want to invest into Solana. So what you do, you just wait for something to happen. As you can see, once the price reach this zone right here, so the blue zone, even if it was just a little bit, you enter position. No leverage, anything. You just simply buy some Solana. So let's say that you have, again, 1,000 euro to buy some Solana. What you can do is that you can buy 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250. The price reached the first zone right here, so you buy 250 euro worth of Solana. And now you just wait, you do a little bit, you do literally anything. And once the price reach again this zone right here, the third zone, you do literally the same thing. You just buy 250 euro more of Solana. Then you just wait a little more, and you can see the price is still going bearish. That's perfect. We want to accumulate more of Solana, so you don't do anything. And as you can see, the price reach again this zone right here. So you buy again 250 worth of Solana. So we buy one buy here, another buy here, and a third buy right here. And at the same time, we can see that the price also reached this zone right here. So you buy again 250 worth of Solana. By doing that, instead of buying 1,000 euro worth of Solana as soon as you have the little bit of money, you was able to actually have way more entry prices by respecting this strategy. Now, all you gotta do with your Solana is literally just hold, and hold. So keep in mind, when the price is in this zone, you don't do anything. You never sell until the price reach this zone right here. When the price reach this zone right here, you never do anything before the price reach this zone right here. When the price reach this zone right here like this, you don't do anything before the price reach this zone right here. And when the price reach this zone right here, you don't do anything before the price reach this zone right here. I know that it seems kind of a slow way to actually buy cryptocurrency, but to be honest, it's always how many times it happened that you wanted to buy more, but you didn't have enough capital simply because you bought with everything you had as soon as you had a little bit of money. So this is why buying small portion by small portion is extremely important when we're talking about investment. And yeah, this is just the safest way to actually do things on a profitable way, and my personal way to also do it. If you could help me reach the 10,000 followers before the end of the year, I'll be very grateful. So take in consideration following the channel. If you don't want, yeah, that's okay. You just help me to grow my watch time, but that's okay. So thanks again for watching this video. If you like, subscribe. If you didn't like, don't subscribe. But anyway, have a good day.